How to connect Mailchimp with your Wix website. So from the website editor, we want to click on Add Elements, and here we will simply search for Mailchimp. Once we have clicked on the search box, this will pop up. We search for Mailchimp, and you will see Mailchimp Email Marketing Poco. So we want to click on Open, and it will take us to the app market. If we want to add this to our website, it will tell us that premium site is required. But if we click on Add to Website, then if we have the premium version of Wix, then we will be able to connect our Mailchimp account here with our Wix account, and then you can do email marketing and many other things here. You can also watch this video of what Mailchimp offers on Wix. So that's where you find the option. That's how you connect it. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.